Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this video we're going to talk a little bit about product maintenance when it comes to your Panasonic hair straighteners. I've got here in front of me the HS99 model. We're going to talk a little bit about some obvious maintenance issues and things to think about, and then we're going to finish with some specific Nano E maintenance that you need to be aware of as well. So first things first, really obvious, but do take care of your cable and your plug on your hair straighteners. Try not to crumple the cable, don't try and shove it in where perhaps it can't fit, and do make sure you keep your plug nice and free from dust and particles. That's going to really help the connection when you plug it into the wall, and that means your hair straighteners are going to work that bit better. Another obvious thing, when you're using it, please do not touch anything that is going to get really warm or hot on the hair straighteners. So essentially that's anything from the base of the plates to the tip of the hair straighteners. Avoid touching that, you're really going to do yourself damage. Even if the product's cooling down, avoid that if you can. It may sound incredibly obvious, but please try not to drop your hair straighteners. Try not to drop any electrical product, really, if we're honest, but especially hair straighteners. The plates are made of ceramic. It can really damage your product if you drop it, not to mention your floor. So just try to be super careful when you're using it. So, boring, obvious stuff out of the way. Let's get down to something a little bit more practical and cleaning the exterior of your hair straighteners. So one of the most common things that can happen when you're using your hair straighteners, of course, is that hair product can build up and get all over the exterior. It can get on the plates when you're straightening your hair. So what we recommend is taking a soft cloth, dampening it with some soapy water, giving it a good wring out and dry, and then using that to wipe the exterior of your hair straighteners to remove any of that build up of sprays or anything else you're using. Try to do that as regularly as possible, because again, that is really going to do wonders for lengthening the lifespan of your product, so it can be fantastic time and time again. So that's cleaning the exterior. Let's talk a little bit about cleaning the Nano E outlet of your hair straighteners. So first of all, what is Nano E? Well, Nano E technology takes moisture from the air, converts it into microscopic particles, and on your hair straighteners, as you use them and as you close the plates around your hair, the Nano E particles attach themselves to your strands of hair, and that is fantastic for protecting your hair and moisturizing it against any damage that hair straighteners can cause. So Nano E is really important, and with that, it's really important that you keep the Nano E outlet as clean as possible. So your Panasonic hair straighteners should come with a little brush that looks something like that. It is designed to clean out the Nano E outlet on your hair straighteners. So if you haven't gotten this brush, you can find something similar online, but please don't throw it out after you unpack your hair straighteners, because it's really important. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the hair straighteners are unplugged and cooled down. If you're doing any maintenance, make sure that is what you do first. Do not try and do any maintenance on your hair straighteners if they're still warm in any way. So it's unplugged, it's cooled down. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip this particular model over, and we're going to put it into the lock position. So I'm going to close the plates, and then I'm going to move this along until it clicks, and those hair straighteners are now locked in place. So we can have a really good look at this Nano E outlet. So on this model, on the HS99, the Nano E outlet is actually here, just along the end of the hair straighteners. Do have a look in your operating instructions. Depending on what model you have, the Nano E filter outlet might be in a slightly different place. So just have a look in your operating instructions and you should be able to find it. So we're going to take our trusty little brush here, and we're going to very gently go to the Nano E outlet, and we're going to sweep away any build-up on either side. We're going to be very gentle but very thorough to make sure we're getting any dust particles or any other build-up that has gotten into that outlet. And that is pretty much it. As long as you're being nice and thorough and you're getting both sides of the outlet, that will remain nice and clean and free of particles. It's so important that you try and keep the Nano E outlet clean and working really well, because that means your hair is going to be protected for longer and it's going to be better protected as well. It's one of the most common things that we get asked about, and we get contacts from customers about in our support center, is about maintaining hair straighteners that maybe don't work as well as they used to. Keeping your hair straighteners clean and well maintained goes a massive way to prolonging their lifespan. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.